Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your makeup brushes. As you all know, makeup brushes and sponges are very important, while doing your makeup because they really are like the vital part of your makeup. And keeping them clean and hygienic is one of the important parts of doing your makeup, because if you don't have clean brushes, they might affect your skin because the brush is directly in contact with your skin and the results would be bad. So yeah, cleaning your brushes once a month or twice a month is really important. If you're like a regular makeup user, I would tell clean it twice a month, because then you're going to keep it exposed to air and all of the dust particles will sit on them. It is not a good scene. That is why cleaning your brushes is very important, and cleaning them in the right manner or the right procedure is really important, because you might damage the bristles of your brushes if you don't do it the right way. And even the sponges, okay, you have to make sure that all of the foundation or concealer or any other makeup products that is in the sponge gets out completely, so that you don't have any residue inside the sponge or your brushes. So yeah, cleaning your makeup brushes in the right way is really crucial. I came up with this makeup video where I show you how I clean my brushes. I'm sure it will help you guys to clean yours as well. I clean my makeup brushes, I guess, once a month. So yeah, if you want to know how to clean your makeup brushes and how to manage them, then please continue watching. First, as you can see, I have a bowl of water. This is my face brushes, and then I have my eyeshadow brushes, and this is another set of mini eyeshadow brushes, and these are the sponges which are very dirty, and I have this conditioner which I'm going to use later. But this right here, this is the Juno and CO Clean Up Your Act Solid Cleansing Bar. This is going to be the hero of today's video. And yeah, let's just get started. First, I'm gonna start cleaning my face brushes, and I'm just gonna pick up 3 brushes first to show you in detail how I clean them. As you can see, they're very dirty. So first I'm gonna dunk them into water so that the product starts to melt down from the brushes. First they have to be damp, and then I'm gonna use the soap. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just squeezing out the excess water from the brushes, and now comes the main part where I'm gonna use this beautiful cleansing bar to clean my brushes. This is how the cleansing bar looks like. It's quite huge. It's very effective, and I really love this product. I got this from the US. So you have a damp brush, it is kind of wet, so now you can directly rub it against a soap. So this soap is very effective, and a little goes a long way. Just apply the soap and just remove the excess product from your brush, and your brush is going to be really clean. I really like how this soap makes my whole brush cleaning process very effortless. As you can see, all these 3 brushes are very clean, and the soap also does not stay on your brush, so that's a very good thing. It's easily washable. Now I'm just going to pick up all of the brushes and just directly dunk them into the water, and I'll start cleaning them one by one. I'm using the same procedure. Just rub the damp brush against the soap, just remove all the excess product, and then let them be in the water for some time. So yeah, this is going to be my process throughout for all of these brushes. So I completely forgot that I had this brush cleaner from Nykaa. As you can see, this is a beautiful brush cleaner. It has various different patterns. So this is very helpful. So now I'm going to clean up all of my eyeshadow brushes using this. I want to show you another way of cleaning the brushes as well. So yeah, I thought of doing this. So it's the same process with my eyeshadow brushes as well. I'm going to just first dunk them into water, and then pick every brush, put some soap on them, and just rub it against the brush cleaner. So you have to make sure that there's a little bit of lather, and just look at your eyeshadow brushes. If it's very like fluffy and it's not dense, then you can use certain kind of patterns like the stripes, vertical stripes. But if it's dense and dome shape and brushes like that, you can use the other dotted patterns. So yeah, it's very easy like that. So now I'm just gonna wash off this excess lather on my brush cleaner, and I'm gonna finish off the rest of my eyeshadow brushes, and I'll be right back. So now these eyeshadow brushes and face brushes are super clean. Now it's time for these mini brushes. These mini brushes don't need that much of the product or that much effort because there's not much product on that. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the same process for these as well, and this will get clean quickly. Now it's time for the sponges. So these sponges, I'm just gonna do the same process. So yeah, first, as you saw, I'm gonna just put them right into water, let them absorb all the water, and I'm gonna squeeze out the excess water, and I'm gonna use the hand wash from Dettol. You can pick any hand wash that you want. Hand washes are mild, so not much of chemical goes to your sponges. And yeah, I'm just gonna use 2 to 3 pumps of this hand wash on my sponge. Now all of my brushes and sponges are clean, so it's time for some conditioner. So I'm just going to put 2 sachets of the conditioner into this bowl, and I'm just going to apply it on all of the brushes as you're seeing in this video. So yeah guys, that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you guys in understanding how to clean your makeup brushes, how to manage them, how to dry them, and all of those things. So yeah, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. A comment down below what videos you want to see from my end. I will try to put it up. And yeah, subscribe to my channel because that will mean the most to me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.